Imagine you're drifting in space. No sound, no wind, no up or down, just endless silence. The kind of silence that presses against your ears until it feels loud. At first, everything looks normal. Stars scattered across the darkness, distant galaxies glowing faintly. It feels peaceful. Too peaceful. Then something changes. You don't notice it immediately. It's subtle, almost invisible. The stars ahead of you begin to distort, not move, not disappear, but stretch like someone is pulling the fabric of space itself. You blink, thinking it's a glitch in your visor, but it's not. The distortion grows stronger. Light bends in unnatural ways. Straight lines curve. Constellations twist into shapes you don't recognize anymore. And then you realize you're not looking at space. You're looking at something inside space, something that shouldn't exist. Your instruments begin to react. At first, just small errors. Numbers flicker, signals drop for a fraction of a second. Then the warnings start. One by one, soft beeps turning into a continuous tone. Your system can't calculate what's ahead. It doesn't understand it because what you're approaching isn't just an object. It's a black hole, a region where gravity is so extreme that nothing escapes, not matter, not energy, not even light. From a distance, it looks like nothing, a perfect void, a hole punched into reality. But as you get closer, you start to see its true form. Around the darkness, there's a ring of light, a glowing halo. Matter spiraling at incredible speeds, heating up, burning, screaming silently as it gets pulled inward. This is the accretion disk. And it's not just beautiful, it's violent. Radiation floods your ship, invisible but deadly. Your systems struggle to keep up. Shields begin to weaken. But the real horror hasn't even started yet, because something else is happening. Time. Your clock is still ticking, 1 second at a time. Steady, normal. But your body doesn't agree. Seconds feel longer, heavier, like time itself is slowing down around you. You check your transmission logs. Messages you sent just moments ago are still being received. But the replies take longer and longer and longer. To someone far away watching you from a safe distance, something terrifying is happening. You are slowing down, freezing, getting stuck at the edge of something invisible. But from your perspective, you're still moving forward. That boundary has a name. The event horizon, the point of no return. Cross it, and there is no escape. No signal can get out. No information can come back. You try to turn your ship around. Engines fire at full power. But nothing changes because it's not about speed anymore. It's about gravity, and gravity is winning. You cross the event horizon and nothing feels different. No explosion, no sudden darkness, no warning, just silence, which makes it even worse because you know there's no going back now. Then it begins. Slowly. Your body feels strange, not pain, not yet, just pressure. Your feet feel heavier than your head, like something is pulling harder on one part of you than the other. You try to move, but your movements feel delayed, stretched, and then you see it. Your hand looks longer, not by much, but enough to notice. Gravity near a black hole doesn't pull evenly. It pulls stronger the closer you are. Your feet are closer than your head, which means they're being pulled harder, and your body is being stretched. This process has a name, spaghettification, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Your body is being pulled apart, atom by atom, molecule by molecule, slowly turning into a long, thin stream of matter. At first, you might still be conscious, aware of what's happening, which is the most terrifying part, because there's nothing you can do, no escape, no resistance, just the slow realization that you are being erased. But here's where it gets even stranger, because according to physics, from the outside, you never actually fall in. To a distant observer, you remain frozen at the edge of the event horizon forever, fading redder, dimmer, until you disappear. But from your perspective, you're already gone, and no one will ever know what happens next. Inside a black hole, the laws of physics break down. Space and time swap roles. Distances lose meaning. And at the very center lies something called the singularity, a place where our understanding of reality completely collapses. Some theories suggest everything that falls into a black hole is destroyed, compressed into nothing. Others say the information is somehow preserved, stored on the surface of the event horizon like a cosmic memory. And then there are the more terrifying ideas that black holes are not endings, but doorways, gateways to other universes, other realities, places where the laws of physics are completely different. But there's a problem. We can never confirm any of this, because nothing has ever come back. Black holes don't just destroy matter, they erase evidence. They hide their secrets perfectly, and maybe that's what makes them so terrifying. Not just the way they kill, but the way they leave no trace, no answers, no closure, just silence. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see the stars shining peacefully, remember this: somewhere out there are places where light itself cannot escape, where time breaks, where reality bends. And if you ever cross that invisible line, you won't just disappear. You will be completely erased from the universe, as if you were never there at all.